Hello students, in this video we will learn about basic proportionality theorem. So let's see what is the theorem say. So the basic proportionality theorem says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. So let's assume we have a triangle this way, okay, and we mark this as A, B and C, and it says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. So if we draw a line parallel to this way, and we mark this as E and F, then it says that this intersecting the other side, two sides, then it divides the two sides. That means it divides this side and this side in the same ratio, and it will be in this fashion. It will be AE upon EB, which will be equal to AF upon FC. That holds true only if you have a line that is parallel to the third side of the triangle and it joins the other two sides. So it divides the two sides into equal ratio this way, AE upon EB, which will be equal to AF upon FC. So let us prove this theorem and see how do we get this in equal proportions. Alright, so in this problem we are given that D and E are the points on the sides of RS and RT respectively of triangle RST, such that D is parallel to ST, EM is perpendicular to RS, DN is perpendicular to RT. We have to prove RD upon DS is equal to RE upon ET. So before we begin with the proof, we have to do a small construction, okay, and that is we will have to join DT and ES. So let us do that. So that's how we do it, and we write over here construction . Okay. So join DT and ES. Now we begin with the proof. We begin with area of this particular triangle, that is RDE. So area of any triangle is given by half base into height. So that is the formula to find out the area of any triangle. Right. This is RDE, and that will be half into base into height. So the base over here will be RD, and height is of course what is perpendicular. We have said EM is perpendicular to RS, so EM will be the height. Now similarly we can take the area of this particular triangle DSE. So we can say area of triangle DSE or TES, you can take, we'll take it as DSE, half into base into height. Half, the base for this will be DS, and the height of course will be what is perpendicular only, which is EM. Okay, so EM is perpendicular. Now that we have got the area of two triangles over here, what we do is we divide them. So area of triangle RDE upon area of triangle DSE. So just this upon this, and we just need to write what is area of triangle RD. Area of triangle RD is half into RD into EM, and area of triangle DSE is half into DS into EM. EM and EM cancels, half also cancels, and we are left with RD upon DS. Okay, now what we do is put this over here, area of triangle RDE upon area of triangle DSE, and we'll mark this as 1. Okay, next similarly we take the same triangle, that is RDE, but we take a different base. This time, before we took the base as RD, now we'll take the base as RE. So area of triangle RDE, and that can be is half into base into height, and base over here will be RE, and height will be what is perpendicular. We are given that DN is perpendicular to RT, so DN becomes our height. So DN is our height. Okay, and we'll take this triangle. Before we took DSE, so now we'll take DET. So area of triangle DT, so that is half into base into height. So base over here will be ET, just like in this triangle the base was DS, so here it is ET, and the height is of course what is perpendicular on this side, so that is DN. And once again what we do is we divide the two. So area of triangle RDE upon area of triangle DET can be given as this one, half into RE into DN, whole thing upon half into ET into DN. DN and DN cancels, half and half cancels, and we are left with RE upon ET, and that is, we will write this back again, area of triangle RDE whole thing upon area of triangle DET. We mark this as 2. So now we have got area of triangle RDE upon area of triangle DSE is equal to RD upon DS, and area of triangle RDE upon area of triangle DET is equal to RE upon ET. So we have got these two sides, RE upon ET and RD upon DS. Now we need to find a way how we can show that these two sides are equal to each other in proportion. So let us see how to do that. If we have a look at these two triangles that we have taken, DSE and DET, okay, so if we just focus on this particular triangle, DSE and DET, these two triangles have the same base, okay, and they lie between the same parallel lines. In 9th standard we have studied a theorem wherein if there are two triangles which are originating from the same base and lying between the same parallel lines, or two parallel lines that are common to both of those triangles, then the area of those triangles are said to be equal. So we'll put it down as, to it over here, triangle DSE and triangle DET are on the same base and lie between parallel lines DE and ST. We have been given DE is parallel to ST. Therefore, we can say that area of triangle DSE is equal to area of triangle DET, and we mark this as 3. Now if we have a look 1, 2 and 3, okay, then we'll find something similar. That means RDE and RD is the same for both of them, and now if we take DSE is equal to DET, that means triangle DSE is equal to triangle DET, that means these two should also be equal to each other. Okay, so that means therefore we can say from 1, 2 and 3 RD upon DS is equal to RE upon ET. Okay, and that proves our basic proportionality theorem which we had to prove. We had to prove that their RD upon DS is equal to RE upon ET since these two are parallel, and that's exactly what we have got in our proof. Okay, so remember over here we got it from 1, 2 and 3 that we say RD and RD is common to both, triangle RD is common to both areas in these both equations, and in these two equations we have triangle DSE and triangle DET, but we have proven that triangle DSE, area of triangle DSE is equal to area of triangle DET. Hence we can say from 1, 2 and from this 3 that RDE upon DS is equal to RE upon ET, therefore establishing the basic proportionality theorem. Thank you for watching.